I'm in an Amtrak train right now, and in this video, we're gonna compare business class over coach class. Is business class Amtrak worth it? Find out in this video. When I was booking this ticket, the price difference of a business class to a coach class is about $12. The business class section is usually the first two trains. When you book a coach class, it's unreserved seating. But when you book a business class, usually you're given a seat. That means business class is guaranteed seats and requires reservation. Coach class offers basic accommodations. So you have your comfortable chairs with a lot of leg room. You have your tray tables and overhead reading lights. Business class seats are cushier and they have more leg room. They also have adjustable footrests. Business class also has headrests compared to the coach class. Part of business class first is getting some snacks. I'll have this guy explain it to you.
There's two types of service in business class. In the morning, passengers have an option of coffee, Danish, juice, and water, and that's a self-service type of arrangement. In the afternoons for the PM service, the attendants pass out snack packs and offer passengers a choice of water, wine, or soda, and that's the difference in the two types of services.
Is buying an Amtrak business class worth it? Let me tell you the answer. In my humble opinion, it's kind of so-so. Well, if you're traveling quite far, I think it's worth it for $12. You have your snacks and your drinks, and that could be a good perk. But actually, for me, I can just bring my own snacks and drinks.
I hope you're able to decide whether to take a business class or a coach class in this video. See you later, and off I go. Like and subscribe! Mwah!